In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate a document in DocuSign step by step. If you've ever uploaded a PDF or document into DocuSign and realized the orientation is wrong, maybe it's sideways or upside down, don't worry. There's a quick way to fix it directly inside DocuSign without needing to edit the file on your computer first. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard. From here, we're going to rotate a document inside a template, which gives you access to editing tools before sending it out. On the top navigation menu, click on Templates. This will take you to your Templates management page, where you can create and manage reusable document workflows. Next, click on Create Template. This allows you to upload a document and configure it before sending it for signatures. After clicking Create Template, you'll be prompted to enter a template name. Go ahead and type in any name you'd like. This is just for your reference, so you can name it something related to the document you're working with. Once you've named your template, click on Upload to add your document. A file selection window will appear. Choose desktop or the location where your file is saved, then select the document you want to upload. After uploading the document, you'll need to fill in the recipient information. Add at least one recipient name and email address. This is required to move forward in the template setup process. Once you've filled in the recipients, click on Next, Add Fields. This takes you to the document editing screen, where you can add signature fields, text boxes, and other elements. Now, here's the important part. In the top right corner of the screen, click on Documents. This opens the Document Options panel, where you can manage your uploaded files. Next to your document name, click on the three dots menu. This will open additional options for that specific file. From the drop-down menu, click on Rotate. Each time you click Rotate, the document will turn 90 degrees. If it's sideways, you may need to click it once or twice until the orientation looks correct. Once your document is properly rotated, you can continue adding fields, signatures, dates, or any other required elements. After everything looks good, you can save the template or proceed with sending it out for signatures. And that's it. That's exactly how you rotate a document in DocuSign quickly and easily without needing any external tools. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future DocuSign tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.